Hello, my name is Zarina. If you're new here, I self-study French and I vlog it. This is my intro. I have not been able to focus on my studies. Thankfully, I do have a study buddy, so even when I am not like in the mood to study, I feel like I have to study because I don't want to let her down. Yeah, I haven't been able to focus on the studies, so I am a bit behind. I need to catch up with her. I am making this vlog to keep myself motivated to study. If you have been here, you know that vlogging keeps me accountable. Is that the right word? I think it is the right word, right? We couldn't complete this unit today and we tasked ourselves with completing it on our own. Also, there's this playlist that I need to watch. It's from French with Alexa. Also, all the resources I use will be linked down below. My study buddy is done with those videos, but I have like 5 more to be done. So yeah, I will start with those videos and then try to complete the unit that we left undone. I have 5 lessons left with the video. I want to take notes from the videos because if I don't, information goes in one ear out the other, so I need to take notes and I want them to be pretty, so it's going to take a bit of time for me to get everything down and pretty. So I have 5 videos. First one is actually, it is the grammar that we had in the unit today that we were studying, and I couldn't understand it from the explanation from the book itself, and I'm hoping Alexa will be able to make me understand. It's about imparfait versus passé composé, and then we have conditional versus imperfect tense, and then we have all the verbs and tenses. Let's start. So I finished with all of the Alexa videos. We have been watching 5 videos a day. I told my study buddy as well that the last 10 videos have been really grammar heavy. You need to memorize a lot, and my memory does not work like that. And yeah, I honestly cannot memorize. And if I do memorize, I will not be able to use in the sentence if I want to use that myself. And I know that for sure. And that makes the process of memorizing redundant. When I learned English in school, they made us, teachers made us memorize, and including the teachers, nobody was able to use those memorized phrases like when they talk in like normal speaking. I know for a fact that memorizing is not a good method, especially for me. Maybe some people can work with that, but I know for a fact that I can't. I came to this conclusion that I just need to read a lot. My first idea about reading was that I would follow some French speaking Instagrammers. First of all, I can't find many of them, and when I do find them, most of the time they don't write anything in their description. There are still some blogs that I can read from. You know, not many people use blogs these days, but I think old blogs are still available to find. So I'm just going to look for blogs to read, and if I find some good ones, I will link them in the description below. So I think learning grammar in context is way better method to memorize. Like, I don't count that as memorizing, but it is like when you read so much, it is drilled into your brain like subconsciously. You know, sometimes there are some grammar things that I use in English. I don't even know, like grammatically, I don't know why you have to put these words together. But when you have read so many things and watched so many people, you subconsciously know how to make up sentences in a grammatically correct way. That's the best course of action I can think of right now, because I honestly cannot memorize. So I will look for some blogs and try to try to find some. One of my French study videos, I mentioned this girl who plays Sims, but she talks in French, Marissa, I think it was her name. I was really happy to find her because I would be listening to French and also I would watch something fun. But lately, I don't have much time to just watch and not even understand. It is best to watch Marissa when I don't want to learn, like intentionally learn anything, but I want my subconscious to be active. That's when the Marissa videos would be perfect. But when I want to actually learn something, I need to find some blogs and read from them. I hope I am making sense right now. In my mind, I make sense. Anyways, I'm going to look for some blogs and yeah, I will talk to you later. So I just, oh my god, my head. Does it happen to anybody else? Like when I put my hair in a ponytail or like high bun or low bun even, like my head hurts after a while. Anyways, I found like 4 blogs that would interest me and that are active, those down below. And for today, I am going to choose one article from one of these blogs, read it out loud, and that will be for the check my pronunciation portion of this study vlogs. If you're new here, I usually read some texts. Doesn't matter where it's from. I usually read from the book Je me plus. Today I don't want to read that, but anyways, I'm going to read an article from this blog, and I do this to check how my pronunciation has improved, how easily I can read the word. I have problems reading the words that I don't know. When the word is huge, I sometimes read them letter by letter, and after you get used to the language, you don't do that anymore. So I am still in that phase where I just read one by one. So yeah, this is why I keep track of how fast I can read and my comprehension levels. So let me read a new article. It's about the benefits of potatoes for our health. So yeah, let's start. Les bienfaits de la pomme de terre sur notre santé. La pomme de terre apportait beaucoup plus à notre corps que vous ne le pensez. Si vous pensiez, this is exactly why I decided to read blogs. Like, you see, here it says, vous ne le pensez, right? It is like that you wouldn't think, right? And then it says, si vous pensiez, it is the same verb, but it is used in different tense. This is exactly why I searched, like I got the idea to read blogs. I'm a genius. You know, I'm a genius. Anyways, let's continue reading. Si vous pensiez tout savoir sur la pomme de terre dans cet article, nous allons voir les bienfaits qu'elle apporte à notre santé. Bonne pour la peau. Good for the skin. I think, yeah, peau. Outre les avantages pour la santé interne. Oh my God, I am understanding what I am reading. This is new to me. This is new to me. Like, other than the advantages from our insights, that I think that's what it means. That's what they mean. besides the internal health benefits. I never claimed myself to be a translator, so my translation was that. The important thing is that I understood while I was reading it. I am happy. So, let's continue. Autre avantage pour le santé interne, les pommes de terre peuvent également avoir des avantages pour la peau. Elles contiennent des propriétés éclaircissantes naturelles et peuvent aider à réduire les cernes, et l'acné. L'application topique des pommes de terre peut également aider à exfolier la peau et à soulager les coups de soleil. I didn't understand that part. Grâce à ses propriétés, la pomme de terre peut aider à éclaircir la peau et éliminer les cernes. Riche en nutriments, les pommes de terre souvent considérées comme un simple accompagnement sont en réalité une mine d'or nutritionnelle. Elles sont chargées de vitamines, de minéraux et de fibres qui sont tout essentiels à notre santé globale. Un des aspects remarquables des pommes de terre est leur teneur en vitamine C. Une pomme de terre moyenne peut fournir environ 45%. I don't know how you can say.
45%.
45% de l'apport quotidien recommande en vitamine C. Ces puissants antioxydants aident notre corps à fabriquer du collagène, à absorber les fer et à soutenir notre système immunitaire. En plus de la vitamine C, les pommes de terre sont une excellente source de vitamine B6, une vitamine essentielle qui joue un rôle crucial dans la santé du cerveau. Elle est nécessaire pour la production des neurotransmetteurs, les produits chimiques qui transmettent les signaux dans le cerveau. Elle est également impliquée dans la formation des globes rouges et globules rouges et la santé de notre système nerveux. Okay, I understand some of the words and they are like formation, production, nécessaire. Like I kind of know, like I know some words that look like English and I kind of get the idea. That's why I can understand most of the text. It actually is fun to read this article. Even though I will not be using globule rouge, I will not use red blood cells in my everyday speaking, but it is fun to read. At least you get some experience in forming a sentence. It's all about the subconscious, I'm telling you. It's all about subconsciously learning. Yeah, it takes a lot of time to learn this way, but I've got the time. Like, I am not taking any French tests or something. Don't take my French study vlogs as like advice to learn to study for an exam, because I am not doing that, and I am certainly not studying it like I would if I had to take an exam. I have had my fair share of language exams, so I know this is not how you study for language exams or any exam for that matter. So this is not for exams in the slightest. This is just for my own fun. I am going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for keeping me accountable for this 2 hours that I could actually study. And as usual, let me know in the comments what you are studying, how long have you been studying, all of that nosy stuff that you know I am interested in. Again, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on my Instagram. I am most active there, and follow me on my other socials. All of them are down below. Like and comment and subscribe and share my video with your friends who you think that this video would be helpful for. Yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.